Like this broken gate, we hung around for too long. The plan was to ride down from Delhi to Bangalore, but spend most of the time in Rajasthan. And the bike had already left Bangalore by train and was on its way to Delhi. The plan was to get to Delhi as early as possible and spend the day going around Delhi looking at various things, and then go to the train station to finally fetch our motorcycle. Thankful to Sachi uncle, we got assigned a driver by him for the day, and he picked us up at the airport, got us to put our luggage in one of the offices, and then took us around Delhi, showing us all the sights. We spent a lot of time in the car. Some of them beautiful sights, some of them not so beautiful, but hey, that's what it is. And I was really excited looking at all these cycle rickshaws and all that because you don't see them around in Bangalore anymore. Eventually, we landed up at the Red Fort, and if you've not been there, it's well worth a visit. It's pretty historical and would be one of the only monuments we get to visit in Delhi. We spent a good deal of time walking around in the Red Fort area looking at everything that was on offer. We even got some time to catch up on our email and other things while we were right there. Like this broken gate, we hung around for too long. Finally, it was getting pretty late in the afternoon, and it was time to go fetch our motorcycle from the railway station. We just had to make sure that we had all our papers and everything. And once we got the motorcycle and a quick checkup, it was time to get back. I followed the car on my motorcycle and even managed to get some sights in along the way. Rajasthan's next. Hopefully, it'll be fun.